Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Here I bring you a series of 1-minute videos in order to help you enhance your vocabulary. So the word for the day is beautiful, a very commonly used word, and I'm sure everybody has heard about the word beautiful, and we keep using the term every now and then. So the first term that can replace the word beautiful is alluring. Second word that can be used in place of the term beautiful is admirable. Third, charming. Fourth, exquisite. By the way, exquisite means very beautiful. And the last term for the day that can replace the word beautiful is ravishing. I hope this was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more of such videos in order to enhance your vocabulary. Take care. Like, comment, share and subscribe please.